Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Nuril Amini. In this session, I will present about article with the title of Bibliometric Analysis of Research Development of Smart Learning Environment for Education Indonesia. This article explores the state of research on smart learning environment for education in Indonesia through a comprehensive bibliometric analysis. The introduction of this study first is to examine the current landscape of research on smart learning environment for education in Indonesia by mapping the research that has been done so it becomes strategy to explore its and use for efficient development. And the second is importance of bibliometric analysis to uncover key insight, trend and gaps in the existing body of literature by determine article content, authorship, pattern and productivity of educational writers. And then the methodology of this methodology of this study is using data collection and source, aggregate data from reputable scholarly database, journal and conference proceeding. The data source is from Google Scholar Indexer in various journals. And the data analysis and interpretation collecting through a search for publication using published Paris 8 and then using keyword smart learning environment with the categories article title, abstract, keyword in the period 210 and 223, and then analyze the data by first viewer. Then data collection was also carried out from 218 until 221, which is conducted annually for more precise and true result. Data in the form of the number of publications per year, journal containing article in the field of smart learning environment, and subject were analyzed using Microsoft Excel 210. Meanwhile, the trend of the development and productivity in the field of smart learning environment was analyzed using FastViewer software. And then the finding of this study first is relate to research development in smart learning environment for education in Indonesia. Is it growing number of international publication in the field of smart learning environment at Google Scholar Index from 210 until 223. The second, the core journal in the international publication in the field of smart learning environment journal by Google Scholar Indexer from 210 until 223. The productivity of research in the field of smart learning environment, and then the development of international research publication in the field of smart learning environment by subject and field, and then mapping development of international publication of research in the field smart learning environment based on the keyword and based on the author. The last, the article Smart Learning Environment for Education in Indonesia developing since 2017 and can be found in various journals, both domestic and international, for period 210 until 223 with an optimal limit of 50 articles. And then how is the trend and theme in the smart learning environment research? The trending research for 223 in smart learning environment is in hybrid learning environment. The second, smart learning system. microlearning, artificial intelligence, VR and AR, blockchain, gamification, and chatbot. The discussion of this study have implication of the finding on designing and developing smart learning environment have to consider for base ontology. And then smart learning environment and technology can support diverse learning need. And the last, instruction and facilities and accessibility procedure must be ready to answering process flow in enlarging digital learning. The second discussion is about gaps and areas for future research. The gap and area for future research is implementing and validating paradigm for smart learning environment as e-learning ecosystem, and the second is there are some trends to shape the smart learning environment in 223. And the last is conclusion for this study. Summary of the study with various advances in smart learning environment, both formal learning and informal learning, it is necessary to have direct interaction from early age with smart learning environment. Smart learning environment providing personalized and adaptive learning using collaborative tool. And then the most published research publication after 216, namely 44 articles or 88%, and most of them relate to concept of smart learning environment, then design and practical insight into online learning research. And there are only 14 articles or 0.28% outside the theme of learning and education. Then namely 2 articles relate to communication published in wireless personal communication. So 2 articles relate to computer science and emerging technology, and the last namely 1 article relate to machine learning, cloud computing, IoT, AI, city government published on various journals. And then the last contribution and recommendation this study is necessary to carry out high research both in quantity and quality about smart learning environment, and then publish scientifically to encourage discovery and utilization in the field of smart learning environment for education in Indonesia. This study contribute and recommend to map the research that has been done so that it become strategy to explore smart learning environment used for efficient development, be more practical and broad, so be able to use this learning environment to solve the problem as inadequate instructional learning, school facilities, and instruction. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.